So there, thought I'd show you what I bought on the 8th of September of this year. They were on sale at Canadian Tire, 70% off. I paid $29.95 for one. I got two of them. Tax included came to $68.85. So it wasn't a good deal. The only thing I don't like is the name. You know, Christmas lights, they only last for a couple years and they go blup. But I thought it was a good investment, and I decided to get these because the lights outside and it's good, and I put out one out back and one out on the front of the house, which I'll show you in a few minutes. But in the process of putting these up, our neighbor decided to put one of those lights that screw in. Looks like a friggin' teardrop bulb. Anyway, she put one on the side of her house, and you'll see it. But so with my two videos I have, I explained that I decided to get these because for I think a couple months now, I noticed gas has been disappearing in my lawn tractor, and you know, I didn't think of from when I was talking to the neighbors, that our neighbors, I ain't saying, loves to have gas. But anyway, I won't accuse anyone, but that's where my gas has been going, has been disappearing. So as I was talking to the neighbors around here, there's a certain individual likes to siphon gas or steal gas from people. So thought I'd let you know that I purchased these, and hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao. Peace. Well, there's the light I was telling you about. That she installed on her hose. I got trying to keep it focused in, but that's what she installed on her hose, because I installed those solar panel and all hooked up. You can adjust the brightness and what time they come on, how long the minutes can stay on, up to 2 minutes if you want the tail. Anyway. So anyway, that's what I did, and there's my truck, and there's your door. And I got the solar panel, comes around right there, pointing towards the south. It works. The sun hit it today. So that's about it. That's what I paid for. Two of those, and hopefully stay charged and stay, we call it, stay working, because Noma tends to fail after a couple years. Anyway, that's about it for that one. Peace.